In our working with clients, we've come to identify what we consider the 5 imperatives for application lifecycle management. And these imperatives are having a solution that helps you with real-time planning, lifecycle traceability, in-context collaboration, development intelligence, and continuous improvement. In the beginning of software development, requirement plans, development plans, test plans were all disconnected or managed separately, and we'd have project managers who essentially could never answer the question of, are we done? And so by real-time planning, instead of having everybody disconnected, we now plan across the entire team. As work is completed in the system, the plan is automatically updated. Using lifecycle queries and project dashboards, we can immediately see and respond to any changes that are occurring on the project. Our next imperative is lifecycle traceability. It actually helps you understand what everyone else on the team is doing as your team is progressing throughout your iterations. By linking related artifacts, teams are better equipped to answer questions such as which requirements are affected by defects and which work items are ready to test. You don't want to have to rely on reports that go stale after you've created them. Instead, you want to leverage a system that shows the traceability links that are directly in the plan, making regulatory compliance audits much easier. By in-context collaboration, we mean the ability to collaborate in real time on projects in the context of the work being done. Very often, conversations in email lose the context of the discussion or most likely are lost in your mailbox. Within context collaboration, decisions are documented in the tool and can be linked back to the conversations that drove those decisions. It makes it much faster and more transparent, and in fact, collaboration becomes easy whether you're co-located or working in different time zones. Our next imperative is what we call development intelligence. Projects that have strong measurement practices have much better success rates than those that do not. Surprisingly, according to Capper-Jones' study, 50% of all organizations are not measuring quality, productivity, or completeness. To get development intelligence, you want to be able to set out some meaningful measurements on how you're going to improve, instrument your ALM tool so that you can gather data that's coming directly from the team's activity, and then constantly improve and find ways of changing the behavior on your team and start to meet those measurements, so that you have more confidence when you're ready to release your software out into the world. Our last imperative is continuous improvement. The key to success in application lifecycle management is to figure out just the right amount of process for the project that you're currently working on. You certainly never want to get into a situation where you have a burdensome process. And as the team is working, you should be able to change that process real time, right in the tool, and continue to encourage the behavior that you're looking for from the team. So if you're looking at a trend that's going in the wrong direction, you might be able to tweak that process to help turn the team around. The Rational Collaborative Lifecycle Management solution provides the highest level of ALM interoperability in one easy-to-install and easy-to-use solution that can be optimized for agile or traditional teams. This solution is composed of Rational Team Concert, Rational Quality Manager, and Rational Requirements Composer. All 3 of these products are nicely integrated to form a complete collaborative lifecycle management solution.